Do you want to turn those basic slides from a ugh to a yes? Well, I'm going to show y'all a quick and easy DIY, might I add cheap, on how to get that.
Hey, Michelle, oh, Michelle, yeah. African woman, yeah. Bonjour, oh, my belle.
So what y'all are going to need for this DIY are scissors, an old pizza cloth, and a hot glue gun. Hot glue guns are only like $5 at Walmart or probably less, so that shouldn't be too bad. Or y'all can use super glue, whichever one works for you. So the old cloth, I'm just going to place that underneath my slides and measure that to make sure it fits that fold right there, and then cut it off. Okay, so once I know that that fits, I'm gonna take those scissors again and I'm gonna cut through the side so it can be easier to put back through the little fold. I don't even know what to call that part, but y'all know what I mean. I'm just gonna cut off a little piece right there so that when I put it back through the side, it'll fit better. Once I like the way everything fits to that part of the slide, I'm just gonna look at the edges and make sure that there's no extra pieces. And if there is, I'll just cut it off like I did right here. But I do leave a little piece on the side so that when I attach the fur, you know, it can kind of cover the sides and it won't look too tacky. Then I'll take my hot glue gun and then glue it onto that piece of the fabric. And please be careful because this hot glue gun is hot. The feather I bought is from Hobby Lobby and it was $4.99 each. And I bought two because I figured I would need two, and I actually did use two. But so the feather, I measured it on the side first before I cut off a piece, and then now I'm just gonna put the hot glue on the cloth and then just put the feather on there. I wanted my first slides to be very, very full, very, very fluffy, and very, very thick. So to get that, notice how I pushed back the feather and placed the glue like right below where that feather is because I want it to be full. So I did that, and then I just kept adding the fur piece by piece by piece. And remember to measure it so that you don't waste any part of the feather. Disclaimer, this feather thing shedded like crazy. Like, it was all over the floor. It took me a while to clean it up. But if you need to go back and add pieces to your slides, like, feel free to do so. I just wanted my slides to be really full, so I just made sure I covered it entirely. Alrighty, so I'm about done with the slides. I just pressed down really, really hard to make sure that the feathers stick to the hot glue. And if there was any straggly ends on the sides, I just cut it off. And if you see a space, just, you know, slide it down a little bit, cover it, and that's pretty much it. Hope this DIY was very fun and easy for you guys to do. Comment down below if y'all were able to try this. I enjoyed doing this, and I hope you guys enjoyed doing it too. I'll see y'all in my next video. Mwah.